This is Tim here from Your Sick Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect an OTG adapter to your Android phone so you can transfer photos and videos to it from your Android phone. So I have just this USB-C to USB adapter, or you can use one of those OTG adapters, and that works well too. So I have this little adapter right here from my iPhone. It just takes USB, and then we can transfer pictures with that. So we can just connect this directly to my Android phone, plug into the bottom. Now if our drive is formatted EXFAT or FAT32, we should be able to use this on our iPhone now. So we can just swipe up and go to Files, right here. Go to My Files or Files, depending on if you have a Samsung or not. And then we can go on down, and we can go to USB storage, and we can verify that's on here. Now we can create a picture folder, or whatever folder we want. And then we can go to our files. It could be installed file, documents, wherever. We can tap it now and just hold down on it. We can go to all, transfer everything, or just one picture. Go to copy, locate your USB storage device, go to that location, go to copy here. And then you just successfully copied it over to your USB drive. So just locate wherever you want to copy over, select all. And if you do this with images, go to videos next, go to documents, etc. And you can back up everything on your Android phone with that method. So we can go on over to videos now, and we can see all these under here. Just make sure you back it up. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.